In the heart of change, we stand as one, leading the way where the journey's begun. With every step we grow and rise, Rainmakers, we reach for the skies. Rainmakers, we're shaping tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Diana May Bacol. I'm handling the admin and finance. I've been in Atlas for almost 10 years. And then, ang natutunan ko po dito sa training today, dun yun sa 5 principles of success. Hindi natin pala minomotivate yung kapwa natin o yung mga members, and then nag-i-inspired lang, na-inspire lang po pala natin sila. And then, yun yung parang tumatak sa akin na mali pala yung sinasabi ko sa kanila na kailangan mong na-motivate ba kita, or mali pala yun. So, kinorek ko yung sarili ko doon. Yun yung natutunan ko ngayon. Yun yung tumatak sa akin talaga. So, inspiration lang pala ang maibibigay natin sa kanila, which is, sabi nga natin, parang tinutulungan lang natin silang mag-move. Parang ganun lang po. So, yun, sa mga speakers po, thank you very much po. So, sa gusto po naghahanap po ng mga sa leadership po, I recommend po Rainmakers po. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Catherine Deam, Supply Chain Officer ng Atlas Circuits. What happened today about the leadership training? To be honest, the keyword that capture talaga my attention is yung, kasi kanina tinanong, do you believe na you can motivate people? Honestly, I raise my hand kasi from the very start, yun yung mindset ko talaga. We can motivate your people. But when Sir Ian talk about it na, I learned na the modern day leadership talaga is talagang different na from the previous. Kasi today, you cannot motivate na your people, your staff. Kasi there is someone they are inspired na, kumbaga, meron na silang nilulook up. So today, this training is so fruitful. Marami akong natutunan, to be honest. For the 9 years ko sa Atlas Circuits, sabi ko nga, ito talaga yung company na nag-grow ako as a professional. I'm happy na meron din kasi akong mga staff. Kasi ang gusto ko talaga, ma-motivate sila, turuan sila. Kasi as time goes by, hindi naman kasi ako laging nandito sa Atlas Circuits. I want someone na pwedeng sumunod sa akin. So, kung mawala man ako sa Atlas Circuits, meron akong iiwan sa kanila na alam kong na-train, naturuan, may kaalaman about the company. So, I'm looking forward for the next training. Kung ano pa yung matututunan ko kasi I will really share it to my staff. I'm so excited for the next 2 sessions. Looking forward to seeing them again. Thank you.
In the heart of change, we stand as one, leading the way where the journey's begun. With every step we grow and rise. Rainmakers, we reach for the skies. Rainmakers, we're shaping tomorrow. We're shaping tomorrow. Vision, strength, and dreams to follow. Through every challenge we pave the way. In unity we find our sway. Innovation's light we carry high. Together we soar, touching the sky. Rainmakers, we never stand still. Building the future with iron will.